Chaplain Falls car park to the summit and back. Mount Sommer summit this way. After 5 or 10 minutes, the track gets narrower and very uneven. To ascend. Not sure where this knob is actually. Assuming it's a big rock, but I can't see. Ah! Oh my god, slipped. It's actually a slippery track with lots of wet tree roots and rocks and mud. I say it's a very nice part of the track. It's mid-October and there's not a lot of snow. It's been a very warm winter, although we had a little bit of snow. The track gets quite rocky and steep. I dropped my GoPro on the ground and I had to walk back like 5 or 10 minutes to get it. It was just on the path. I lose a lot of time like this. Last time I crashed my drone into the bush and I had to search it for like 15 minutes. under 2 hours I came to the junction. It's 90 minutes to the summit from here. Okay, just a little bit of snow and there's a little bit of cloud, but it looks okay. I never put sugar in my tea, but when I go hiking in winter, I always take sweet tea with milk. It's really good. So 15 to 20 minutes from the junction, you're more exposed, and maybe you need to put your poles away to climb the rocks. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very steep here and getting a little bit windy, so I'm going to change my top. Actually, the sun's coming out. Every time there's a gusty wind, I wonder if it's the right thing to go up. So I came back to where I had my tea earlier. I'm gonna have another break. Yeah, I'm happy I'm turning back, and there's no point regretting. Of course you want to get there, and summiting is an achievement, but it's also important to get home safely. It got to the point, like, it was really windy, the gusty wind, it just made me, it was difficult to stand up and walk. So if I even carry on, it's just going to be the same. And the view, I've already got the nice view this side. It's a shame I didn't see the view on the other side, but now I know what it's like to get there. It wasn't that hard. I think I can do it again. I keep looking back to see the summit and then think, what if I went up there? I saw a couple of solo hikers who went up. I think they're trying to get to The Pinnacles hut on the other side. Sky's blue. Sometimes it's still a little bit windy, so it could be still gusty up there. Who knows?